Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I want to teach you how you can remove Threads badge from your Instagram account. For that, you need to take your mobile phones and you need to follow my instructions. As you can see guys, I opened my Instagram account and under my name, there's a badge from Threads, and as you can see, I'm over the first 75 million users. And before I will show you how to remove this badge, I will tell you one thing. A lot of people are talking that they are removing it and it's coming back. So to avoid this, you need to do the simple thing. You should have Threads on your mobile phone and you should have an active account. You should be logged in, guys. So before you will remove this, make sure that you have Threads in your mobile phone and you are logged in, guys. After that, you can remove this badge and it won't come back. So to remove this badge, you need to click it and you need to click hide badge. But before you will remove it, make sure that you really want to remove it because you can't get it back once you will remove it. So if you are ready to remove it, you can click the remove badge button and it will be removed from your Instagram account. And after you will do it, you can delete the Threads app from your mobile phone and this badge won't come back. It will be removed from your Instagram account. That's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. See you in the next video.